Anyway, but like you said, so
who the
I think that's.
are you?
I'm sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
You don't just leap up and start yelling. I don't care who you are.
well, I was just
Seriously?
You did say it was going to be a long day. I apologize, and here I am.
How'd you get here?
I got a ride.
Yeah, you did. Who'd you get a ride from? Come on back up to the podium.
I was told he was allowed to be here today. And
By who?
On their way here.
Who were you told that by?
By his family.
This is a problem. She's violated the...
I didn't realize I was violating.
This woman made a bad choice by letting a man she wasn't allowed to be around take her to court. In the intro clip, you saw him suddenly speak out loudly from the back of the room, interrupting the judge. That's when everything started to go wrong. She was almost about to walk out free, but Judge Simpson realized that the man shouting was the exact person she was ordered to avoid. Because of that, she could now face jail time for breaking her bond rules, and she probably thought nobody would notice. What do you think about how Judge Simpson handled it? Let's take a close.
There are two matters, and we would like to adjourn to look into a global resolution. There's a district court matter as well as the...
Which district court? So why are you telling me that?
We're adjourning for global resolution, Your Honor. Continue.
But I don't have that other one.
You don't?
I only have the felony.
That is correct.
So why are you telling me about it?
So, given the reason for the adjournment, we are...
No, I'll wait. This is going to be a long explanation.
Further negotiations is our reason for the request for adjournment.
I know, I see that on the form. So, all right. Chinaza.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when do you want this adjourned? So the other one is set.
Correct. And again, the January...
So, and the alleged victim, her husband, is at the Riker Road address.
That is correct, Your Honor.
anyway, but like you said, so
who the
I think that's...
are you?
I'm sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
oh no.
You don't just leap up and start yelling. I don't care who you are.
Gotcha. Well, I was just
Seriously? Guess that's taken care of. Okay, so I guess my concern is that I do have the second one coming around, and they're located initially at the same address, but now not at the same address, but her address is temporary.
Correct.
And you're not going to Home of New Vision. Yeah.
Correct. That was the
What?
next thing. She is slated to enter Home of New Vision on December the 3rd, Your Honor.
Got it.
So that's where...
And that other.
Yes. So she's already gone through the admission, and the date that they have available for her is the 3rd. So she moves in on the 3rd from, the hotel she's currently staying in now.
Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna order a GPS. I'll order it with exclusion.
Before the court does that, Your Honor, I do apologize. You did say it was going to be a long day. I apologize, and here I am.
Go ahead.
I know that the complaining witness is here today. My understanding is that there was going to be a request from us that there be a no non-consensual contact order in place. I know that the people have their own position on that. The complaining witness is her husband. They have children in common. They've been married for quite some time now. There were some issues at bay that may have led to these particular situations. Ms. Shear is working on that, hence the hospitalization, the treatment that she received there, and now her admission or self-admission into Home of New Vision. She's very...
I can stop you. I'm gonna deny that request. I want to see how she's doing once you get in, how she's doing, because obviously there are, I'll just call them peripheral issues.
Okay.
So before I would let that happen, it's not to punish you or anything like that. Before I allow it to happen, I want to see where she gets in terms of that process.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough?
Yes, Your Honor.
I didn't care about you. I was talking to you. Oh, yeah, I wait for Mr. Janelle to be a caretaker. All right, so what I am gonna do though is I am gonna order a GPS tether with the exclusion zone being the Riker Road
So I will.
location tracking. Pardon?
So, okay.
She just wanted clarification that the GPS would prevent her from being able to go to Riker Road.
Right, and also we will have location tracking because she's gonna be going into
And treatment.
treatment.
Sure thing.
I have a question. Is it okay if I go a couple hours away? Because I was planning on visiting my family.
You're gonna be in the Michigan though, right?
Yes.
State? Yeah.
Okay.
She just wanted to know, she's traveling to visit her family, but it will still be within the state of Michigan. She just wanted to know if that was okay.
Oh, that's fine, that's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, the same area in the Fort Allen, we came together.
Yeah, so ma'am, how'd you get here?
I got a ride.
Yeah, you did. Who'd you get a ride from? Come on back up to the podium.
I got a ride from Kayla Miller.
Yeah. That's a
Because I
problem.
was told he was allowed to be here today.
Pardon?
I was told he was allowed to be here today. And
By
I'm
who?
on their way here
Who were you told that by?
by his family. I'm in contact with his aunt.
She was only a few seconds away from leaving with no trouble, and then everything completely changed. The hearing turned into a mess because the man she wasn't supposed to see was sitting right there yelling, like it wasn't a serious legal situation. He even looked like he found it funny. You could tell she felt embarrassed, and it didn't look like an honest mistake. Judge Simpson's reaction showed how shocked he was. It's almost like she didn't think the bond rules mattered, especially since she openly admitted he drove her to court. She had one simple job, avoid him, and she failed right at the end. The judge tried to help her, but you can't help someone who ignores clear instructions. I've seen a lot of bad courtroom decisions, but this one is definitely near the top. Do you think she was confused or just trying to get away with it? Instead of arresting her immediately, the judge pauses the case and lets her lawyer explain. The lawyer says she misunderstood the rule. She is staying at a hotel, working full-time, and trying to get into a treatment program. She apologizes and asks permission to visit family for a few days. The judge decides she didn't mean to break the rule on purpose but still takes it seriously. He gives her another chance, but adds GPS tracking so the court knows where she is. He tells her that if she is ever unsure about something, she must call her lawyer first and not listen to random advice. She was very lucky. Many other people would have gone straight to jail for that. She seemed more confused than dangerous, and Judge Simpson chose to warn her instead of locking her up. But the rule was extremely clear. Stay away from that man. No contact, no rides, no excuses. Do you think she deserved another chance, or should she have been jailed? If you're still here, comment Michigan.